The home behind me was a recent giveaway by Endeavour Prize Homes, and now is your opportunity to own a high-spec family home on acreage here in Tamborine. Go check it out. This home offers more value than you can even imagine, and you truly need to come and see. But we have 4 bedrooms, a study, media space, a kids retreat, and probably the coolest pool area you'll ever see with a TV area built in. I can't wait to meet you here and show you around. We'll talk to you then.
99 red eyes, burning out the light. Count the lights along the floor. Can't remember what they're for. Every blink is closing in. Every night I wear your sin.